What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Corvette. Glad you're tuning into the channel again, and we are going to be installing a few pieces onto the Corvette, and I'll show you out here in the box. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And if you haven't already heard, I have started my own mobile auto detailing business, and it's called Rogue Auto Detailing. So go ahead, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to YouTube. If you need any details, RogueAutoDetailing.com is the place to go. You can find links to those on all my social media, and you can hit me up on my phone number if you'd like a quote. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the car installations here. All right, guys, and there's the whip right there. So let's go ahead. We've got some boxes over here. Now, I don't know if I'm going to install everything that you see in these boxes in this video. I may make, 2 or 3 videos. Let's just see what we got. But basically, what we'll do, I know for one of these here, we have some replacement parts. I think, yeah, here's one, or there might be 2. No, I think they might be both in here. Let's see. Oh no, here's the one. Okay, guys, so here is one piece right there, and then I'm assuming this is the other piece. So basically, what we'll do here, so we have both pieces here. As you can see, these are the ones that go in the engine bay for those that are kind of cracked and not holding it. I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so we're gonna have to open up the hood. Let's unlock it. Come around the side. Open up the car up. Let's see. I need to get the wide angle lens on this thing so I can see everything. Go ahead and pop the hood. Oh. Alright, guys, so we got the hood open, and we're going to close the door. And we're going to come over here. Now, I got the wide angle on just because it's I want y'all to see a little bit more. But basically, in the engine bay, that piece right there and that piece right there is what we're going to be replacing, because as mine being a 14, it's older than the newer models, and basically it moves a lot. It doesn't stay put, and as you can see, look, the little pieces are basically shot. So we're going to take that out, and I'll show you the other one over there too. Okay, guys, we're going to walk over here, and there is the other one right here. And let me switch hands. We'll grab this thing. Look, see, it just moves out. It doesn't even hold well. Look, it's missing. Came off. It's broke. So those are what we're going to be replacing with the new ones. So let's grab the new ones. Okay, so we have the new ones. They're right here. But because the old ones are out, let's go ahead and take a rag, just dust off the area in there, because that way you can just access to whatever you need to get it clean, since it's not in there anymore, and it'll just make it, clean and better. So we'll do that real quick here. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is the new piece right here. We're just gonna slide it right in. So basically the groove, that little part will go right in the center, right in there. This is gonna go underneath the little weather stripping right there into the slot. That little part goes right under this one. This part goes right under here. And then this little nodule right there is gonna go in where that little hole is. So basically, all you do is just push in, and that should be it. Yeah, it's in there. It ain't going anywhere. So there's the new one. So now let's go to that side and get that one. All right, so let's just clean off the same area like before. We're just getting some of that dirt out and stuff. So that way it's good and you're all good. So then we can install it. All right, just make sure that these 2 little grooves, okay, go right into the respective holes 1 and 2. And then the grooves up on the top over here go right underneath the weather strippings and stuff right there. So once you have that, go ahead and place it like so. Make sure they're good on the sides. Just press in. Boom, and just like that, you kind of just slide it in. It clips, you hear the snap, and that is it. So there we go, guys. The new engine bay little side ones, whatever you want to call those, have been replaced, and they are good to go, and they're not going to be moving around, flopping around when you're in the engine bay. So those are good. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much the video. This is just all I wanted to do for the engine. Little pieces that, you know, you need to be replaced when they get old and they're kind of just broken. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will have more installation videos coming out with the car, and just small ones, nothing huge, nothing major. But stick around, guys. Don't forget. All right, till the next video, the Rogue Vet out. Peace.